Hello again, everyone. What are we going to draw today? Let's draw a green frog.
Let's start by drawing big, beautiful eyes. Our frog has 2 eyes. First, draw 1 eye. And now draw the second eye. Great job! Now let's draw a big round head and a happy face. Draw 2 little circles for the nose. And now let's add a big smiling mouth. Our frog has a big round tummy. Now let's draw the front legs. First, 1 leg. Don't forget the fingers. Now draw the second front leg. Just the same. Now it's time for the back legs. They are much bigger and bent at the knees. Draw 1 big back leg. And now the second one. Awesome! Let's add a flower. Frogs live near water, and lotus flowers grow there. Let's draw a beautiful lotus flower and a big leaf next to it. Now let's add 2 more lotus leaves and 1 more lotus flower at the bottom of the picture. And now it's time to color our drawing. Let's start with the frog. Color the big eyes black. First 1 eye, then the other. Now color the frog's face green. Frogs are green. Color the body green too, and both front legs and both back legs. First, color the legs on the left side. Then the legs on the right side. Color the smiling mouth red. Color the frog's tummy light green, like grass. Now add some darker green spots on the frog. So cute! Now let's color the flowers and leaves. Color the middle of the flower yellow. Color the petals pink. Don't forget to color the flower at the bottom too. Now color the lotus leaves green, the same green as the frog. Don't forget the leaf on the right side of the picture. Color the flower stems and leaf stems dark green. And of course, let's add blue water all around the frog. Oh, wow! Our drawing came to life.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.